and then you insert. So you can take out the closing tag, right? You can cut the closing tag, Control X or Command X, and then bring it back to the end here, right? Control V. So the image tag is inside the fig tag, the semantic. Now we can now insert our, I mentioned fig caption, if you remember, fig caption, so that we can properly describe the image. A beautiful bird enjoying life. Control S or save. So if you go live using our live server extension, you can see a beautiful, oh, I omitted that, a beautiful bird enjoying life, right? Now this is different from using a p tag. This is actually close to the image. It shows that this text is describing this image. Now a screen reader can read through, scan through, and get to this image and read to a blind person and say, oh, there's a beautiful bird enjoying life. So that blind person can easily, picture the bird. Though the picture might not be as perfect as this, but we've helped such person understand the web page, the web content. So let's proceed. So that's that. Okay, that's for image. So we're talking about video, right? So let's bring this down. So now let's see video. So let me delete this and start again. So the same way we insert images, right? We insert videos. So you call out the video tag, video, type out video. There are other ways to actually insert videos, but the easiest and the fastest way is to call out the video tag, right? And automatically when you call out this video tag, just like the img tag, the src will pop up, src attributes pop up, which is source. That's where you paste your URL or your link, right? Now what's our URL for the video? Don't forget, mind you, since the beginning of this class I created a folder separately for videos, right? And I inserted one of our lesson videos, which is the HTML Tuesday 3. You can see the icon here. It shows that this is a video. And don't forget, I installed an extension, a VS Code extension, called VS Code icons. That's what is making all my elements, all my text, all the files I'm importing here have icons, so that you can easily identify what it is. If you don't do it, it will get confusing and might become overwhelming. Now I can see that this is a video. I will not mistake it for a file. Yes, I am. So where's our video elements, video tag? This is it, src. I'll call out my, what's it called, my URL, which is under vid, right? That's my file. So I type out vid, then vid will pop up. So if I have more than one video, I will see the list here. But because I have just one video in this folder, that's why this is appearing. So this is HTML Tuesday 3.mov. This is the format. This can work as well. MP4 can also work, right? So I have this. Now, if you load this, I'm not sure it's gonna play because we don't yet have certain elements, certain things on it. Can you see? This is the video, but now this video is very large. We need to work on the size, just the same way we do for images. Let's go back to our VS Code. Where is it? This is it, right? So we introduce attributes like width. So we now decide what we want the width to be. We can say 554 pixels. Then the height, we can make it a box. Since width is 554, height should also be the same value. So 554, right? Control S or Command S to save what we've typed. Let's see now. So as not to open multiple tabs, let's just go back to the browser and then we'll refresh. You see, it has come to the to a size that we can see, right? So now we can see that this image has video has been embedded, but nothing is happening. I can't interact with it. It doesn't seem like a video yet. It still looks like an image. So we go back to our VS Code. We add controls. So there's also an attribute called controls. Sorry, controls. You can see it here. So we save. Then we'll come back, go back to the browser. You can see now controls are here. So now I can mute, I can unmute, I can enlarge, I can play. Absolute. We have relative. Let's call this one list. So the video is playing. So I've enlarged it. I can minimize it. It's still playing. I can pause it while on the web page, right? That's because we added control. We can go back. Yeah, I think we can also add a thumbnail as well. Poster, yes. So we can introduce another what's it called? We can introduce another attribute called poster. Poster equals thumbnail dot maybe JPEG or PNG. But now we need to now install, or sorry, we need to upload another image. Let's say you want to upload YouTube video, for example, showing how to make money online, right? And then your video content is about showing people how to make money online. And then I don't know if we are conversant with YouTube videos, like YouTube video creation, like you want to add videos, you want to upload videos online for human consumption. You usually need a thumbnail, like an image that will first like pop out, that will be there on the screen before the video actually plays. Same thing goes for other social media platforms like Insta. I'm not sure if Instagram is like that. I'm not sure, but there are videos that you see that there's a static image at the beginning before you play the video. It's until you play the video you see the content of the video. I don't know if of course you should know what I'm talking about. Are you there? So because I don't have, so because I don't want us to waste time downloading another image for just for this video, let's use one of the images we have here. So we can just call out the image, and we have our images in our img, right? Or just to make this fun and sweet, let's go back to our browser and then get um, another image, like a fresh image, right? We've opened too many of these. Let's reduce it. So let's go to google.com. So our what's it called? Our no, we don't even need to go to google.com. Let's go back to our desktop because we have HTML icon, right? We have an image for that. Yes, we have this image, right? We have this image, so we can rename this image. This image can work. HTML made easy. We can close this. So we can rename this. We can call it um thumbnail. Yes, let's call it thumbnail. You don't have to call it thumbnail. I'm just an example. You can give it your own name as long as you can remember and you can call it out from the folder. So thumbnail.png, and then we have it like that. Of course, you know what to do. You are taking this to your file. You can copy it because it's sitting here in the desktop, but you can't have access to it in your VS Code. So you need to add it to your VS Code, to your folder, to the folder in your VS Code, right? Where do we have it? So let's take it to img, paste it here, right? And then it's there. So we can go to our VS Code and then call it out. Where's our video? This is our video. So we can come back to our poster, what's it called? Poster attributes, and then we can call out our image img, Now we should have two images in our img. You can see images.jpg, that's not it. Thumbnail.png, that's what we are looking for. So we call it out and then we control S. So that means this is what we show before the video is being played. If we go back, the thumbnail will show before the video plays. Can you see? Can you see? The thumbnail will show before the video plays. So if I play the video, then we can now see the actual content in the video. So let's pause this. So let's go back to the VS Code. So we can add more attributes to this. You can go on and on. It depends on, you can keep tweaking and tweaking. What else? Um, what if you want to like continuously play? You want the video to continuously play, even when the user is not aware or when the user is doing something else. You want it to keep playing. It can happen sometimes. You want to create video that maybe advertisements, maybe short videos that advertise a particular product like body cream for females or clippers for males, like basically just a demonstration video that shows the features of a particular product, and you want it to constantly play in the user's browser as they go through the page. They should keep seeing it like non-stop. You can also call out an attribute like autoplay, for example. Autoplay, if you control save and then you come back to the browser, absolute, if I okay, let me close this and then reload it so you can see the effect of the autoplay. So let me come back here to the VS Code and then we've added autoplay, right? Let's go live from here. Why is it not playing? It should play. Control save or command save. Absolute. We have relative. But you can try it from your end. You can try it from your end. It should work. It should play. So it's meant to keep playing continuously. Let's try something. Maybe if I play it then it doesn't stop. Let me drag it to the end. Oh, okay, it still stops. Well, you can try it from your end and let me know if it actually works. So let's go back because we need to save time. What else? So we've talked about videos and images. Let's talk about a file. Let's say you want to download a file. You want the user to download the file, for example. Don't forget, I created a folder for that. I have files here so that I can easily pull them out from here, from my local file, and drag them into the code. So that you don't have to go back and forth, copying and pasting and all of that. It's just good to be organized, right? So I have the file here from the beginning. Don't forget, I saved the file into this folder. Sorry, okay, Mr. Michael, I'm with you. I can't see your screen. I don't know if I'm busy. Oh, where is my? I said I don't know if I'm busy. I can't see your screen. Can anyone else see my screen? I can see your screen, sir. Okay, maybe you should check. I can see your screen. Telling me that this call will end in 3 minutes. I don't know. Okay, let someone quickly create another this thing, or I'll create it. That means we'll have to end this video. How many minutes do we have left? 3 minutes. How many? 3 minutes. Let's just end it and then start another video, another call.